Okay. Tangkat mo, te. How do you feel right now?
I feel a little bit of nervous, but I felt the enjoyment of this pageant.
Naman. Yun naman eh. Okay. Here's your casual question. What have you in common? Does your artist look alike? And why? Okay, Tagalog ko na lang, no? Kasi nakaka-confuse yung English nila. Ano ang pinagkapareho mo kay Aubrey Miles? At bakit? Kasi siya yung inagaya mo ngayon.
Siguro po, ang pinagkapareho po namin ni Overmans is being a exotic beauty and also beautiful body. And also, ang pagkakapareho din po namin ay maganda po ang payugali, being humble, at saka lagi pong always stay on God po.
Faith in God. Okay? There we go. Thank you. Candidate number 1, Miss Aubrey Miles. Sabi niya, ang pinagkapareho daw nila ni Aubrey Miles ay ganda ng ugali at faith kay Lord.